Quick fix today. Audix D2 drum microphone. I've already taken off the outer protection shell thing, and it was making all these fart sounds. Well, it turns out that's because the capsule was flapping around loose, and there's a shaft that it screws back onto, but I can't get it on. So I figured out how to do it, and I'll show you. So you take a small flat screwdriver, and there's a set screw here which will release the XLR connector, and we go counterclockwise with it. It's reverse threaded, so now it's actually sunk down further, which means that you can pull this out. Once you have it out, you have access to the Phillips #2 screw down there. So we're gonna take this out, put this on, and then put the capsule nice and centered, clockwise, and go fishing around, see if we can grab it. There, looks like that just got it. Yep, I can feel it tightening up. Probably don't want to go too tight with it. Just tight enough. And then seat this back in here. And you got to get it perfectly lined up, and then we're going to go clockwise to release it, or to lift it up so that it jams in. Ta-da!